Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin. So at the time of recording, there's not actually a feature within TikTok to actually delete all your reposts at once. So if you actually want to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up TikTok on your device, come across to your profile page by pressing the profile button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then if you come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines, and from the pop-up menu, you want to go ahead and press onto settings and privacy. In here, what you want to do is come to the support section. So supporting about and press on to report a problem. Then on the next screen, you just want to go ahead and you will see many topic. Here, what you're going to want to do is scroll to the bottom of the screen, and where it says chat with us, simply click in this. After you've done this, what it's going to do is take you across to the TikTok help desk. Now in here, you want to send a message basically saying that you want to delete all reposts at once. So what I've done, I've just basically put, "Hi, please can you help me to delete all my reposts? Thanks." So what it's done is basically sent a message back saying, "Hi, thanks for your feedback. We'll note your feedback for removing reposts in bulk as we continue to improve this experience." Now if you want to remove one reposted video or remove your reposts one by one, what you can do, and it's going to give you the steps on how to do this. So what you can do is follow this guide on how to remove your reposted video. So you can do this one by one. As you can see though from this message, it says we'll note your feedback for removing reposts in bulk as we continue to improve this experience. So of course, at the time of recording, this is something clear looking into. But at the moment, if you do want to delete or repost at once on TikTok, what you need to do is go through and remove them one by one by following the guides that comes back from here. So that's basically how you can delete all reposts at once on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.